Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore Steel Updates 19th November 2025. Hi, I'm Dhaneshwar. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at 104.1 per DMT in the noon closing hours, down by 0.29% from the previous settlement of 104.4, reflecting a mild pullback after recent volatility. Intraday movement showed a high of 104.95 and a low of 103.8, indicating a relatively narrow trading range as the market remained cautious. The softening momentum is largely driven by weak steel demand outlook in China, subdued restocking activity from mills, and ongoing concerns over property sector stress, which continue to weigh on sentiment. Additionally, stable supply flows from major miners and lack of strong stimulus cues have limited upside potential. Overall, today's trend reflects a muted and slightly bearish sentiment, with traders awaiting clearer signals from China's demand recovery trajectory. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market displayed a mixed trend today, with some regions recording slight price declines, while others remained largely stable. Trading activity stayed balanced, supported by cautious restocking from traders and steady but limited demand from end users across major hubs. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,400 to 8,500 per ton. Ex Barbil price was stable. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,500 to 23,600 in Raipur, price down by 100 to 200 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 35,500 to 35,600, price down by 100 to 200 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 38,300 to 38,400 for the grade FE 500, price down by 100 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also join our community group through the link in description to stay and engage further.